All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to answer this last question. There are 3 questions that go with it and kind of build upon it. So it says a glass pitcher is filled with water. So I'm going to show this glass pitcher. And it says that 1/8 of the water is poured equally into 2 glasses. So I've got 1/8, so I need to show 8ths. Okay, so here's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says 1/8, so right here, 1/8 is poured equally into 2 glasses. So because what I did was I took 1/8 and there's going to be 2 glasses here, 2 glasses here, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Each of the 8ths are going to have 2 glasses. That means that it's going to be split into 1/16 of the water, okay? 1/16 of the water is split into 1 glass, okay? So this is kind of what we had to figure out. We could also think about it as 1/2 of 1/8. Remember, this means to multiply, so it would be 1/16, okay? So then I'm going to draw my same model because it says if each glass has 3 fluid ounces. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here's my 8 glasses, or my 8ths. And then remember on here, I have 2 glasses in each of those 8ths. And it basically said if each glass had 3 ounces, well, this is kind of where I'm going to be working backwards. So each glass has 3 ounces. That means that each 8th is going to be 6 ounces. I want to know how many fluid ounces were in the full pitcher. Well, if you take this, that I have 8 units and each unit would be 6, 8 times 6 is going to be 48 ounces. Okay, then it says if 1/4 of the remaining water is poured out of the pitcher to water a plant, how many cups of water are left in the pitcher? And so this is where we have these ounces and we're going to have to convert it then into the cups. But it says if 1/4 of the remaining water is poured out of the pitcher. So if I want to take this 48 and I want to get 1/4 out of it, okay? So if you think about this, what I have to do is I would have 48 ounces, and I'm going to subtract 6 from it. Because remember, I've already put this, I've already used, so it's kind of out. So the reason why I have to subtract 6 is because I've already poured this into these glasses, okay? Because we have to go back up here that it's poured into those 2 glasses. So I have to subtract those 6 ounces that are in the cups or in the glasses, okay? So now I have 42 ounces left, okay? So if I have 42 ounces, so here's my 42 ounces, and I have it in these 4 areas, okay? So this is what is used to water the plant. So this is my plant, okay? So I have 3/4 of 42, so 3/4 of 42 is what is going to be in these cups, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to multiply this across. I'm going to do 3 times 42. Oh, shouldn't do it that way because I can't do it that way. So I'm just going to write 42 times 3 is going to be 126, and then it's fourths. So I'm going to do 126 divided by 4. That goes only in one time. Minus 4 is 2/4. So it's 31 2/4, or 31 1/2 ounces. Okay, this is where I have to convert my ounces into cups. Okay, so this is like where you have to pull out, so I'm looking for my conversion chart, here it is. Okay, so I want to convert it into cups, okay? And so when I look here, I've got 8 ounces equal, or 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So I'm going to write this on here, just where I have it. So 1 ounce equals 8, hold on, I did that backwards. 1 cup equals 8 ounces. So 1 cup equals 8 ounces. And so basically what I want to do with this is that 1 cup equals 8 ounces. Well, I'm going to convert the ounce into cup. I have to divide this. So I know that 1 ounce equals 1/8 of a cup. So I'm going to take this 31 1/2 and I'm going to multiply it by that 1/8. Before I do that, what I want to do is I want to convert this into that improper fraction. So I'm going to do 32 times 31, which would be 62, plus 1 is 63 halves, and I'm going to multiply it by 1/8. Okay, so I'm going to multiply straight across 63 sixteenths, and then I'm going to have to divide 63 sixteenths. Well, let me just do it up here. 63 divided by 16. Oh, let's see here. If I do 16 times 3, it's 48. Let's do 16 times 4. Too much, so it's going to be 3 minus 48. So how many cups are left? There are 3 15/16 cups left in the picture.